Hi lovelies, welcome to my channel. My name is Chinwe Juliet, and today I'll be teaching you 4 different ways to use rice water for hair growth on your natural hair. So as you may already know, rice water helps to improve dandruff, it helps to strengthen the strands and stimulate hair growth, it gives significant improvement to the appearance of your hair and can be used in place of your protein treatments. First things first, you need to get your organic rice and wash it first. So once your rice is washed, the first method we're going to be using is the boiling method. You place your pot on the stove and put some rice in it with some water. Allow it to boil for about 5 to 10 minutes, and once it's boiling, take it off the heat. But make sure that you're really careful because this may hurt and injure you. Once you get your rice pot off the heat, strain it gently into your glass container, making sure that your glass container is about room temperature to avoid it splitting. Once you've done that, you put that out of the way. You can use it once it cools as your protein treatment or as a last rinse. Just so you know, rice water is not a magic potion for long hair. You still have to take care of your hair consistently to be able to stimulate hair growth on your natural hair in order to get your hair to grow longer. The second way to make rice water for massive hair growth is to put your washed organic rice into a blender and blend till smooth. This is the quicker method in place of grinding the rice with your fingers. So instead of grinding the rice with your fingers, you can instantly put in your blender and you have your rice water immediately. Make sure that your water is always twice the size of your rice to be able to get enough rice water for your hair. Once your rice is completely blended, also strain and put in your jar. The third method is the original method, which allows the rice to ferment for 2 days. You place your rice in a jar, put double the amount of filtered water into the rice and allow it to sit for 2 days. By the second day, your rice should begin to ferment and turn sour and also smell sour. And once that happens, place in the fridge to use within a week. The fourth and final method is to put the rice in a jar, place double the amount of filtered water in it and allow it to sit for 2 hours. This method is especially useful if you're short on time and you want to use the rice water as quickly as possible. Overall, the best method is always to leave it to ferment if you have the time, but it is entirely up to you, and all 4 ways work just as good. Always make sure to do a patch test on your skin and a hair strand to make sure that rice water is good for you before using completely on your hair. Once again, I do not suggest that rice water is a magic potion for hair growth, but it's a fantastic option to help aid and stimulate hair growth on natural hair. It is great to be used as a protein treatment and also as a final rinse. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to live well, live great, and pray always. Take care, lovelies. God bless you. Bye.